For our low-sugar, high-protein, vegan hot chocolate, we're going to need a few things. First, you're going to need 2 cups stevia or sugar substitute, 1 cup cocoa powder, and 1 cup plant-based protein powder. I'm using Orgain vanilla protein powder to give it that creamy, milky vanilla taste that you'd expect with a milk-based cocoa powder. You'll have to sift a lot, but once it's completed, you'll have about 64 tablespoons or 32 servings. In total, you'll have about 14 calories with 2 grams of protein, and if you add soy milk to it, it's going to come in at around 105 calories with nearly 8 grams of protein. Far fewer calories than store-bought and far healthier. Give it a whirl with a milk frother, and please enjoy.